Hi and welcome back to Garfin's Creation. Let's make this simple eggless sweetheart pudding. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. I have taken half a liter room temperature milk which is boiled and cooled, and I have separated around 150 ml from it. In this 150 ml of milk, I'll be adding a pack of China grass. This is also called agar agar and it weighs approximate 10 grams. Add the China grass into the milk and immerse it completely inside the milk. I'll keep this for soaking for around 20 minutes. The China grass is now soaked and looks a little fluffy. I will add this to the remaining milk. We will now cook this on medium flame and keep stirring it continuously till all the agar agar has completely dissolved. Slowly the agar agar will dissolve and the milk will start boiling. This will take approximate 5 to 6 minutes. The agar agar looks completely dissolved. Now I'll add 6 tablespoons of sugar and stir that as well. Depending on the brand of agar agar, if you feel it's not dissolving, you can now strain it at this moment and put it back on fire. I'll keep stirring this till the sugar is completely melted. And now I'll add 3 tablespoons of cashew nut powder. Mix in the cashew nut powder too and break any of those lumps in the milk. I'm adding a 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and a drop of green food color. Mix those as well. You can add any color of your choice. I'll be making some pink decoration, so I have added a drop of green color here. I'll continue stirring this for a minute or so, and gradually the milk will start thickening, and it's then I'll switch off the flame. The pudding mix is now ready. I'll keep it aside for a minute till we prepare the pan. This is a 6 inches cake pan. I'll be using some oil and grease it all round, so it is easy to unmold the pudding later. Pour in the prepared mixture into the pan and I will let it cool here completely in the pan itself. This will start to set even at room temperature as it cools down. I'll be keeping this now in the fridge to set further for about an hour. To decorate the sweetheart pudding, I'll be using some American buttercream. The recipe is already shared on my channel. I'll put the link down in the description box. Using Noor N2 nozzle, I'll fill the piping bag with this buttercream. Decorating this pudding with buttercream is completely optional. Do watch this video on how to make this buttercream. It's very easy and it's very helpful for all your baking decoration needs. I'll keep the icing bag ready and get the mold out of the fridge and demold it. The pudding is all set and nice and firm. To help it unmold quickly, I'll be just pulling away the pudding from the tin all round through. You can also use a knife all round it. Place a plate over it and flip it and tap it a few times, and it will release and come on the plate. Using the prepared buttercream, I'll make some flowers randomly. You can make any design of your choice. If you wish, you can just skip the decoration part and enjoy the pudding as it is. The cashew nut powder in this pudding adds a very good flavor and taste to it. To make it look more attractive, I'm adding some pearl sugar beads now. Our sweetheart pudding is all ready. Let's cut and show you how it looks. It's so stable and firm, you can cut any shape from this. This is a very simple and easy dessert recipe. Add this beautiful dessert to your parties and impress your guests with some decoration. Thanks for taking time and watching Garfin's Creations Sweetheart Pudding recipe. I'll be seeing you soon in more upcoming videos. Till then, take care and do not forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.